Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I installed an oil catch can on my new 2019 Ram with the 5.7 Hemi. I bought this catch can off of eBay about a year ago and never installed it on my GMC because I knew I was getting rid of it. So I waited to put it on my next truck, which today was my Ram. Total install time was about 20 minutes. Super easy. It would have been a little more difficult on the GMC, but there's so much room to work with under this engine bay, and they actually made mounting it easy. I had to drill a hole, but there's a plastic housing here. I just basically mounted it to the housing, and this tube is what you take off from your outlet back to your air intake. And as you can see, this tube going out to the inlet of your catch can, and then the outlet, as you can see, going right up. Super simple. Like I said, it took about 20 minutes. Honestly, can't remember what I paid for the catch can, but it did come with a decent amount of hose. I didn't have any hose left over, but I had ample amount to get the job done. Comes with all the clamps and hardware. And there you go. Super simple. And should help with catching all that oil before it goes back into your intake. Like, subscribe, share, comments, and we'll see you next time.